The digital renaissance of Western Australian porcelain painting is a 3-room multimodal digital exhibition space that gives a taster as to what porcelain painting is like. Users are not only reintroduced to porcelain painting, but directly engage with the essence of this art through various digital touch-based mediums. It encourages our current generation of folk to save this dying art form and contribute to the 21st century art scene by exploring what it is about and how they can revitalize it. Before entering the main exhibition space, users pass through a LED-lit introductory room, guided by the design principle of movement. Sleek animated sequences introduce a dynamic yet informative preview. As users enter the exhibition, they encounter the prompt, "Let's explore," setting the tone for their journey ahead. The main exhibition space and reflection room was created in such a way to allow for circular navigation or to allow the user to choose where they might go. This is done by including the navigation principle of creating an identity at each location, different from all others. Relaxing and encouraging melodies play throughout the space to keep a calm but energizing mood. On entering the main exhibition space, one of their first visitations is the History Wall, an interactive projection showcasing porcelain painting's journey from China to Britain and Western Australia. As they walk by, they then see that there is a map, and as they tap on certain points of the map, they then see this journey-like experience that is sequential, which then helps them to uncover detailed information about each stage of porcelain painting's evolution. Next, users will encounter a large element multi-touch monitor screen that uses leading projected capacitive technology that can register up to 40 simultaneous points of touch and a fast 6-millisecond response. The technology's efficiency abides by the Doherty threshold, allowing for a seamless and quick experience. The screen shows an interactive web-based display of an array of common porcelain painting tools. In the case that there are too many users occupying the screen, users can access the website on their phone through a QR code next to the screen. The adjacent wall features a cross-section of a porcelain vase with an iPad in front. Users can interact with the iPad to choose between viewing the painting process with lusters or ordinary porcelain paints. Depending on their selection, they can watch a 3D mapped movie projection on the vase's surface, showcasing the painting process from sketching the design to the repeated firings and the final output. This brings an agency aesthetics into exhilaration, as enhancing the perceived experience of painting on a 3D surface brings a level of visceral excitement. Facing these walls is a large touch designer wall, which takes advantage of plurality, human screens and inputs, where multiple users can create art, resulting in an enjoyable, collaborative experience. Users interact with 2D projections of porcelain vases by gesturally swaying around, producing luster-like projections or random painting patterns. These visual outputs are generated through AI, implementing Krishna's second principle of leveraging computers instead of screens, allowing for a creative and ever-changing design process for the digital porcelain paintings. After users have soaked up the experiences within the first room, they will be left with sizable curiosity as they face the question, want to see the real deal, as they enter the reflection room. Upon entering, visitors see a large glass cylinder showcasing real porcelain pieces from the WA Porcelain Painting Guild. To the left, a wall features QR codes for classes and resources, alongside a stall selling local artist trinkets and porcelain painting kits. On the right, a TV plays a 1-minute video from the Guild about the art form's continuation and renewal for future generations. As users exit, they encounter the statement, "Now go reinvent," as a reminder of their potential impact for this art form in the 21st century.